Snail's journey. Snail is in a hurry. He doesn't want to miss his cousin's birthday party. I must hurry to my uncle's house, he tells Frog, but I am so slow. Frog puts Snail on his back, and off they go. Whoosh! Who rushes past them? It's Rat. The snail climbs on her back and says, "Can you please go faster than Frog?" Vroom! Who is that? He's faster than Rat. It's Rabbit. She hops Snail toward home. Paladum, paladum, paladum. Another animal rushes past Rabbit. It's Buffalo Calf. Now she carries Snail. Look, who is that? Now who is carrying Snail? It's Deer. Your pace is perfect, cheers Snail. Deer has to leave. Goodbye, Snail. Snail finds one last quick friend. She waves to Deer. Horse, thank you for helping me reach home, says Snail.